So you want them to apologize to you. Well, let me help you to manifest it. This is the exact steps I do, and it works like a charm. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Candice if you're new, and on this channel we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you feel in your spirit you are a powerful creator, just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel so that more people can learn about manifestation. In today's video, I'm going to give you the exact steps to manifest an apology from any person you desire it from. Maybe it's a specific person, maybe it's a parent, maybe it's a teacher, maybe it's a friend, an old friend, and you really desire an apology from them. So I'm going to give you the exact steps in order to manifest that perfect apology for you. For this activity, you will need a sheet of paper and pen, but you can also use your phone, notes app, and a computer, but I like to write it down. So at the top of the paper, I want you to write this affirmation. The things that I need in life are already mine. The reason why I want you to write that at the top of the paper is because we want to get in the realm and the spirit and the emotion and the vibration that we don't need this apology. So I'm saying this because when we get into a form of need and want, we build resistance to our desire. So if you just have a feeling of whatever is in your path is already yours, you have that declaration before we even get started, it's really going to help you shift into leading into manifesting that apology. So write that affirmation down. Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to be clear on where you want this apology to take place. Do you want a text? Do you want a call, a FaceTime? Do you want to meet up with them in person at your favorite coffee shop down the street? Be specific where you want this apology to take place. Next, you want to write down the exact words you desire that person to say to you. Your specific person, your brother, your friend, whatever it is for you who you want this apology from. I want you to write every single word you desire them to say to you. And make sure you are specific, powerful creators on what you want them to say. You know, you could say, I am so sorry, Candice, for the way I treated you on this exact day, and this is the reason why I hurt you, and I realize this. I want you to be so detailed in what you desire for them to say to you. Now next, I want you to write down your response to this apology. So what would you say, powerful creators, after you've heard this apology? You've heard this apology, now what are you going to say in response? Make it detailed, make it specific. Are you going to say, thank you so much, it feels amazing to hear from you, I'm really excited to, clear the air with you, and I really appreciate your apology? Are you going to say, okay, cool, thanks for the apology? No, really, powerful creators, what are you going to say? Write it down. So maybe you have 2 paragraphs full and you need to flip to the next page. That's totally fine. You don't need to put this all on one page. Just keep writing, putting it in your notes. Now next, powerful creators, I want you to write down all the feelings you will experience after hearing this apology. Get in that realm, act as if you already got that apology, word for word. Now how do you feel? Do you feel loved, satisfied, safe, happy, excited? What are the feelings that you have now that you got your apology? So write it all down. Write down all those feelings. Now I want you to focus on those feelings, especially the good feelings, the love, the satisfied, the excitement, the contentment, the relief. You finally got that apology. So I want you to get in those feelings right now and focus on them, but also write down what are some inspired actions you can do right now to get in those feelings. So you want to get excited. Maybe you want to start a new book. You have a book on your coffee table and you're like, I have not started that book. Let me start it. Or maybe you want to reach out to a friend. You guys can get together for coffee, hang out. That will build that excitement. Maybe there's something on your to-do list that you really need to do. Once you get that done, you'll be relieved. And that's the feeling you want from the apology. So find ways to build into that feeling right now. Now the last thing you're going to do, powerful creators, is to thank the universe, thank God for this apology as if it already happened. You're gonna wanna say this: thank you, universe, for the apology from whoever that person's name is. I'll say Jack as an example. Thank you, universe, for my apology from Jack. So I want you to comment that below, powerful creators. You don't have to necessarily say their name if you don't feel comfortable, but just say, thank you, universe, for the apology from my specific person. Lock it in the comments. Declare it right now that it's happening and it already happened. Get in that feeling, living in the end. If you do all these steps, I know that it's gonna help you manifest your apology into your reality. It really works that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below as well. Thank you so much, powerful creators, for watching today's video. I'm excited to see all the positive results from you getting your apology just like this. I know it'll happen. I truly believe it for you. And the powerful creator of this video is Stormy Galkey. I hope I said your name right, but Stormy, I love that name. Thank you so much, Stormy, for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly appreciate your love and support. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment the secret word below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations. If you like this video, you like my next video on how affirmations and affirmations can speed up your manifestation. Thank you again, powerful creators, for watching today's video, and I will speak to you in my next video. I love you so much. Have a beautiful day.